What's good, y'all? We back with another one, another day, another dollar, another opportunity to get a bag off these charts, man. So we'll hop on here. See what we got going today. My boy having a little bit of camera issues right now, but he is in the building. What's good with you? Yeah, what's up?
Yo, what's good, y'all? I don't know why
Well,
my
damn,
camera's
I don't
doing
think
what
you
it.
can hear me, y'all. I
Huh?
said, I ain't think you can hear me. I was just talking to you for like a minute.
I thought you was talking to them.
No, yeah.
I didn't even know you pressed it. You be hitting the button too early, bruh.
Nah, it automatically start at 9 because your clock is off.
It must be. Mine,
Yeah,
mine say, mine say 7 o'clock right now
yeah. Mine
on the
say
dot. So if you started at any time before right now, you a little early.
Nah, yo, Utah time is off, man. This has got an auto timer on it. The auto starts
Oh
at 9 a.m.
man, I see your time is off. Time is off.
I think you
Oh,
gotta
let's
hit
see what we got today.
on your settings thing. You don't got like pick the camera at the bottom.
Yeah, it's on it. I don't know why it's not. I don't know
Oh,
why it's not lighting up. It's not lighting up green even on the actual camera because I picked the actual camera already. So I don't know why it's doing that.
it might do
I
like
have
it
no
did.
clue why it's doing that. I don't know.
It
I
might
have
do like
no.
it did last time. Click whatever you just click. You just click something and it flash.
Yeah, I'm just clicking on the camera itself, like trying to cut it on, cut it off. But
Uh,
it's on the it's on the camera. I don't know what it is.
Technology, man. These technologies, they be working one day, hurt the next.
I'm telling you, dog. I'm saying like it's mad annoying though when it does malfunction. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
Like when it ain't doing what it should be doing, man,
it's
terrible.
supposed to be doing. Yeah.
It's
Let me keep
terrible.
this thing off. Let me get rid of this real fast. I told myself I'm gonna challenge myself to trade one time frame this week and just stay monitoring one time frame. So I think I'm gonna do the 4 hour it will be. So I will only be showing the 4 hour this week. I'm cutting everything off real fast.
That's what you used to do.
I know it is.
Yeah,
I'm trying to get back into my old habits, you know what I'm saying?
yeah, that's what you used to do.
So I gotta turn off every other time frame with the 4 hours. So right now on the 4 hour looking at gold, I'm gonna just start right there. On gold, as y'all can see, we got a little uptrend happening right here. Little baby little uptrend. So we still waiting on that pullback. Me personally, I believe it's going to pull back to where this entry is right here. This entry is at 41.77. So I'm just waiting to see if we come back this high. We not, but we could. So I'm just kind of sitting on my hands and just waiting to see how that goes. Now I'm not going to forget that gold is still selling. Gold did not reach the level that I wanted it to reach last week, which was back here at 39.08. So I do foresee gold still selling off to 39.08. However, we got a couple of resistance areas up here that we need to retest. So I just think this needs to retest before the continuation down. Now they did say something about the news again. They keep hitting us with the war stuff. So it's always you gotta be paying attention because you know what I'm saying we in divergence. So right now, since we in divergence, that lets me know that it could buy a little more from here, then it could dump. So I just kind of been watching that, monitoring gold. I ended up exiting gold last week when we did this pullback right here in this area on Thursday, and I got my positions that we had up here. Now I'm just waiting to see do we come all the way back up here or do we get hung up somewhere right here in this area, right? So it's two possible areas I can mark up: 171 and then right here. So these are the two areas I'm showing the most interest. And then all in all, I still want to see us come down here to 39.08. But We did skip some retest levels up here. So I wouldn't be surprised if gold actually pushed back and kind of hit some of those levels and push back up there to that area. So I'm just waiting to see how that goes. If I come back to my last week level was here, right? So this right here was my retail level right here, 77. So I want to see it come back there. If not anything, that's the part that piqued my interest. All right, next is silver. Now, silver did exactly what it was supposed to do last week. Silver actually got down to 55. I kept telling y'all 57. So 57 was here. I think that was the weekly level. If I switch this back over to the weekly levels, yeah, it was at 57 right here. So silver did actually go down and hit the levels that I needed it to hit. However, gold did not. But I'm don't have a read on silver just yet because, like I said, silver already maxed out. So what I'll be doing is I'll be waiting until Tuesday to get my new levels, and then once I get my new levels here on Tuesday, I will have more accurate read of what silver's going to do. Um, I just want to see how it's going to lay out. So depending on how big of a move today will tell me what type of situation I have for the rest of this week. As you can also see, silver is also flat headed into the divergence. So I gotta just let it chill until it get ready to do what I want to do. Now the next one is US 500. So US 500 is a play that I already got marked up. I'm actually in right now. This is my actual live trade. So I'm actually sitting in this trade right here, waiting on us to have a rejection and push down to the downside. Now this is actually targeting different levels. So let me switch that back to weekly. So this is actually targeting down here. I probably won't hold it that far, but I will be targeting like at this low again. So around 166 is what I want to see. We have a brand new downtrend. I'm pretty sure they're not going to push too much higher. We can push up a little more. I have a rejection level here that wasn't retested, which is like $50 more. But I want to see what happens right here in this area. I did get in a little early. I probably could have got in right here, but I'm fine with the entry that I have, and I will be holding this until we get back down to the bottom. We have a little situation right here we need to clean up. So once we clean this up, I will be able to exit this trade, and I will call it what it is. Now, I got to throw in two more trades. I'm going to go ahead and just go to UJ first. UJ is still bullish for anybody that's on there. I had some people hit me up, ask me to cover some of the forex pairs, so I had to add a bunch of the forex pairs. Well, six of them. I just added six major ones to the list. So starting up, I just run with UJ right there. So UJ is at 161. Now UJ is already above the weekly zone, so UJ can have a pullback soon. But all in all, everything is bullish. Go long, hold the buy. Don't look for a sale. Just continue holding the buy, especially if you trade UJ. The other pair I know that you're in is the euro. So euro is still bearish. Now over here it says bullish, but that's because it's divergent. So it's trying to set up for a buy. But all in all, the trend is still down and it's making lower lows. Broke structure here, got a new structure here, broke one here, just did a retest, rejected again. So I won't be surprised if we keep following them there. Also, it's already maxed out on my weekly level. So what I'll be doing is I'll be waiting on those new levels to come on Tuesday to get a more accurate read of this as well. Um, GJ is the same. It's bullish. It's getting back to the strong side right now. So it's week long, and it's more likely because the trend is not crossed. But as soon as this get back crossed up, you will start targeting 216, 216, 733 for your main TP1, and then all the way up to 218, 30. I'm at 350 for your TP2. So these are the two areas I'll be interested in. Like once DJ can cross back to the upside. So if you're looking for a buy, I would just, like I said, I would wait on that to confirm. But I mean, it's not a bad area to get in right here either. It's just a week long, right? So don't just be surprised if you have like a hard spike down candle that stops you out. Like I said, just because you premature to trim. But all in all, I believe that it's still bullish, and I will keep targeting inside here from this area that we're currently in. You also got like a minor W right here happening. So once you break this little neckline here, you can get a retest and a continuation all the way up here. That's another play that you can do, but definitely look out for both of those plays on the UJ, GJ, and the Euro. All right. And now I'm pass it to my man so we can go ahead and go indices real fast. And y'all can see what's going on.
All right, y'all. Let's see what's up. Because I don't even know what's up. I don't even know what's up yet. Let's see what's up, though. Let me
Yeah,
share my
please
screen,
start up.
y'all. Let me share my screen, y'all. I know y'all can't see me, and I don't know what's going on with my camera, y'all. I don't know what's going on with my camera today, but that's okay. We're going to continue. All right. We are going to continue regardless. Let's kick it off with, let's start off with the weekly. All right. Let's kick it off with the weekly and let's see what's up. Hold on. I need to adjust this. I don't like that. All right. I don't like that. All right. There we go. That's better. Let me reset chart. All right. And then let's kind of look. All right. Let me get rid of this. This was for some teaching stuff had going on. So let's see what's up. Let's see what's up. All right. All right. What I like on NAS, all right, what I like on NAS is now NAS is still in a very, very much uptrend, all right, on the weekly time frame. That's not to be confused. Not to be confused. I think we can come back up here and retest. All right, retest 29,682 from 29,682. I believe we sell from 29,682. So I believe NAS can push up still a bit more. All right, a bit more to 682, and then we catch the sell from here. So if I mark this out, let's go yellow. Let's go yellow. Okay, right there. All right, so then we're gonna come down here to the daily time frame. All right, down to the daily time frame. Now we got a high, lower high situation. All right, and then how we ended the week, we closed very strong on the week. Now today, I don't even really see today potentially selling. We could potentially hit this and do a hard pullback, but it's Monday too, so you got to keep that in mind too. So it could end up being just a choppy day, all right, and not be a day of setting up for a good swing. But more than likely, we definitely are still going to be targeting uh, from from this level. So I believe we can push up here. All right, push up here and then come this way. All right, and then we can come in this vicinity. All right, and maybe get a deeper pullback. But ultimately, NAS is actually still in an uptrend. All right, on a bigger scale, on a bigger time frame. It's more so in a pullback currently. All right, as we start going down and scaling down, we definitely can end up pulling back the 4 hour. All right, I got to change my colors too because I ended up taking this off. So it's too much green, but I got to fix that. All right, it's too much green, but I got to fix that. And it's all good. So NAS, I believe, still pushes up. All right, let's go to 682. All right, 682. I know that's 670, 676, but I meant 682. Okay, 682, whatever. It's right in that vicinity. All right, hit that, and then we look for the down. All right, even if I come down, yeah, like it's starting to break some structure up. Let me get rid of this magnet. All right, let me get rid of the magnet. It's starting to break some structure to the upside slightly for a deeper retracement. All right, and you can see it's kind of loading up and protecting these lows currently right in this vicinity here. All right, so right in this vicinity here, it is definitely creating some support. So it's not wanting at the moment to go lower, all right, lower than 29,105. So for the time being, the market can still keep pushing. But I am still looking for NAS to actually do a pullback, a deeper retracement to the downside. All right. So oh, there we go. All right. So yeah, so I'm looking for NAS on that. I'm looking for NAS to probably push up and then fold to the downside. All right. So as far as like an intraday play today, more than likely you can we can buy NAS. All right, you can buy NAS up. I think that's still all right right here in this vicinity. All right, right here in this vicinity. I think we target that area. That's still 169 points. 169 points. Price is currently at 29,518. I think we catch that breakout and then push on up there. And then before we get a reaction, all right, before we get any kind of rejection, more than likely we push up there. All right. So you can look to catch that breakout. But I do like it. All right. I do like it. So we're a little early though. All right, we're a little early on the indices. We got like what 15 minutes till open. So slightly early. All right. Slightly early on the indices. Slightly early on the indices, but I believe we can push up here and catch that 29,684. All right, and that's still some good points. All right, moving on to US 30. US 30. All right, yeah. I mean, I like the buy on US 30. I've been talking about the buy for weeks now. All right, I'm not really changing my bias at all. I'm not really even I'm not even um having the sell bias at all in my vocabulary. All right, because I just don't see it. All right, I don't see it at all. We come up here to the bigger time frame, and I believe US 30 is just going to keep buying today. All right, I believe US 30 just keeps buying again for the rest of the week, for the rest of the month, to end out the month. We got today's the 29th, so we got today, tomorrow, and I believe US 30 is just going to be buying. All right, I'm not changing that at all. All right, I would love nothing more though for US 30 to start the day off, sell down first. All right, I want this is what I want today on US 30. All right, I don't really care too much about NAS per se. As much as I do US 30. All right, but I want US 30 to do one of these moves. Come down here. All right, take out these lows, swipe the lows, and then from here, then we catch our entry. All right, then we catch our entry, and then we could target this first area right here. All right, we could target previous highs right here at, and that's a play for y'all right there on US 30, and uh, call it 52,824, 52,824, and I like that. So I want the day to sell off first. It's been kind of buying all night, so let's get a pullback up in this vicinity, and then a push long in this direction, and that's still 724 points. All right, so I think there's way more upside to US 30 than there is currently on NAS, because of the fact that I am looking to stay on trend, and I am looking for buys only on US 30. So that is what I want to see on US 31st today. All right. Now, in the event it starts pushing up aggressively, all right, then maybe we'll entertain a counter. We'll see. But and that's only if you want to take a counter. But really, that's from an intraday perspective. But ultimately, I am looking for US 30 to go long. All right, so I am looking to actually stay on trend, and I'm not looking for nothing else on US 30. So the target will target 52,824. All right, 52,824, y'all, on US 30. All right, and I believe we go up there and actually hit that. All right, 824. Obviously, I believe we're going way higher than that, but as again, for right now, 824. 52, 824 on US 30. Let's get it. And
Yeah,
give it back to my mans.
some bullshit. That's what it's been doing.
You said what now?
I said US 30 been doing some bullshit.
It most definitely has. Now we caught let's see, what did I give yesterday? The other day. I think the
Six
other
hundred
day.
dollar move was crazy for it to turn around right there. That right there.
Yeah. Yeah, right here. But I anticipated that because I think I was saying that. Like, hey, we're gonna push up. Well, maybe it wasn't on this live. I couldn't jump on YouTube. I couldn't jump on here with everybody, but inside the community, I was talking about this. And I was like, all right, US 30 is pushing and we're getting ready to have a sell off, and ended up catching a nice retracement, or a nice retracement to the downside. So ended up catching this move for sure. All right. Ended up catching this move. No, my bad. Not this move. We didn't catch this move. I lied. My bad, y'all. We ended up catching this move, not this entire move though, not this entire move. It was only, I think it was like 200 something points. It was 200
Yeah.
something points on NAS. It was like 177 on NQ, and then like 169 on NAS. So I ended up giving out like 3 trades right at the same time, and ended up catching this move. If I go to NQ, let's see. If I go to NQ, let's see. Yeah. All right. If I go to NQ, I don't know what this is. I don't even know what this is. All right. All right. If I go to NQ, we ended up catching this move. All right. We ended up catching this move right here, and then we was gone. All right. I think if I come down here, was on the 5 minute. Yeah, on the 5 minute. We were right here in this vicinity, price pushed down and then started launching up. And then we hit TP somewhere in this vicinity right here. And then the market pushed up a little more and made a correction. But it was Friday, y'all. It was Friday. I wasn't looking for a massive move to the upside. Wasn't looking for a massive move to the upside at all. I was just looking for something for the day, and then we ended up catching that for the day, and then getting on because it definitely after hitting TP, that thing just decided to make a nice pullback, retesting structure for real. All right, retesting structure. All right, retesting structure, and uh, and that's all that was. All right, retesting structure, and that's all that was.
Yeah, they more likely to just keep pushing US out the gate.
Yeah, for sure.
From the looks of it, I don't think they
Yeah,
really do anything else but just keep pushing it
yeah. Oh yeah.
because you need to go cover that wick. Honestly, not even wick chasing, but that wick is crazy
On what?
on US 30.
Oh yeah, yeah, US 30. But US 30 is buying. I mean, I ain't even forget the wick. Like US 30, for US 30 is buying. It ain't got shit to do with the wick. Like yeah, that can definitely take care of that. But I ain't even worried about that wick as much as I am. We going to 54 600, like I've been saying. So we at 52 currently. Yeah, I forget that wick. We going way beyond that wick.
Yeah,
That wick is
we probably don't get up there till like be at what though?
huh?
We probably ain't gonna get up there until like the middle of the month.
Yeah,
What's
next
gonna,
month for sure. We're
what's
gonna
gonna
start
be
inching towards
what's
that
gonna be
way.
our next,
You know what I'm
next
saying?
quarter move? So you
We're
gotta
gonna
like
start inching
position
that way.
yourself. Like a lot of y'all gonna have to learn to position yourself for like bigger window moves, and like that's like a quarter type move. It's like I know y'all keep hearing both of us talk about these numbers that's so far out, but it's like we not saying it's gonna happen tomorrow, right? I mean that's one thing y'all gotta understand. It's not we're not necessarily saying like yeah get in today and you're gonna get to 54,000 tomorrow. It's like
Yeah,
nah, that's not what's gonna happen. But
that's not what's happening.
however, it's in the near future. So, like, if you can position yourself and set up for the swing, that's what you really want to be looking for.
Oh yeah.
And I know some of y'all in my community, y'all already know that I keep saying I'm waiting on US 30 to do the actual pullback. So that's why I personally don't cover this until like I don't say anything. Until we go down there and feel what we need to feel, that's when I think we're gonna start going to that 54,000. I think they just build liquidity right there. Just so y'all don't kind of get confused from everything that's being said. But it's
Yeah,
definitely
definitely. Yeah, that's a big move. We
yeah,
definitely ain't getting there today, tomorrow. You got to
yeah,
think that's well over 2,000, well over
dollars.
2,000 points. You know what I
Yeah,
mean? Like that's well over 2,000. It's a big move. So moves like that gonna take some time. I do like gold though. I do like how we retested right here at 4,050. I do like that
mhm,
retest, get a nice rejection, and it should dump. I like gold for the dump. I like gold for the dump for sure on gold. I'm gonna be taking gold for the sale, me personally here in a minute. Gold
mhm.
and US 30. Gonna take gold for the sale, US 30 for the buy. All right, US 30 for the buy. But like I said, I want to see that sell off first. Look, and it's already currently pulling doing a pullback. So I
Yeah,
like that.
with you.
Yeah, so I like that. Not interested in gold for the buy up as much as I am the sell. If it buys up, I want that to happen because that's gonna just let us in
Man, fuck the don't even buy that motherfucker at all. You let that
at
motherfucker.
all.
Yeah,
At
I'm just waiting
all.
on. I'm waiting on the resistance to come up. Like once they give me that 4 hour resistance, I'm all in for gold.
Yeah,
'Cause I know
yeah,
where it's going. It ain't got
absolutely.
nothing to stop it yet. So since it ain't nothing to stop it, ain't enough sellers in the market. I'm just like I'm gonna just chill and wait on y'all to come too.
Yeah, look at US 30, y'all. 30 getting that pullback. That's exactly what I want to see, y'all. Give us the pullback. Kick the day off. Kick the day off down here, and then we look for the long. All right, then we look for the long.
Where you think it's going? 51,800?
Huh?
51,800?
What?
The pullback.
51,800.
Yeah,
We'll see.
I'm asking. He talking about we'll
No,
see. I said,
no,
do you think it's gonna reach 51,800 on the pullback?
oh, uh, no, I don't think so.
No.
Yeah, I don't think so.
Slid deep.
I don't think so. There's not enough time in this month. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't really see a huge pullback like that. It had already, like, this monthly, before this like candle was up here, this monthly was already down here basically,
Yeah, it
right?
was.
Right. It already was down here. So it's like now it's starting to buy. And I think it just ends the month. Like it had already did the retest, you know what I'm saying? And then it was down here basically like the whole month. You know what I'm saying? I'm like, I'm not going for that. Like this was a crazy wick. And I'm like, US 30 is buying. Not going. Right. Not going. Last week, I'm not going. Right. The way they pulled this back, even last week, they pulled it back this week, pulled it back that week after making the higher high. Right. And then closed it like this. I'm like, yeah, right. Okay.
Yeah.
Y'all gonna blitz this thing up. So yeah, I don't really foresee US 30 honestly playing too many games, to be honest. Like we already had the rejection right here, right? We already had the rejection at 52,301, came back. All right, got close to the retest, and then now we're back above. Like, nah, we about to, you know what I'm saying? We about to go in this vicinity. I don't really foresee that 51,800 at all. Not even the slightest. I
Now
can't see it.
another thing I will point out for y'all is this, man. These be those tricky weeks. Y'all gotta notice when the week is split into 2 months. Once it's split in 2 months, this can be a tricky week because, like, on Wednesday, that's the first. So they can do whatever they want after the first come because it's technically a new month candle. So just be ready for that too. So just be aware. Like if you wonder if the market just flips in the middle of the week, that for sure is the reason. It's because the month changed. So I kind of gotta get used to keep track of time and knowing like what day it is because the days play important roles.
Yeah, yeah, for sure. For sure. Let's see. Install. Do I want to? Do I want to download? Do I want to? No, I don't want to do that yet. I don't want to do that yet. Phone is asking for an update. If I update my phone, that's gonna mess up all kind of stuff. I don't think I want to do that quite yet. I don't think I want to do that quite yet. All right, not at all. You can take me down, bro. There
Oh
you go.
god,
There you
it's
go. All
super.
right.
Yeah, so we basically just waiting on the open and see how it goes. So those are the plays. Like I do also see US 30, like I said, pushing higher. We're gonna see how deep the pullback is, and then I think it's definitely a good move. We need to get up there to that resistance on my screen.
Man, we most definitely do.
We need to
Most
get up to
definitely.
52,474 today.
Man, wouldn't that be amazing, bruh? Dog,
Today.
54. You get up to 54 today. Oh my God. Folks are calling off work.
54 today. But nah, we get up to 52,474. That's what I want to see right here. I want to see it get all the way back up here.
Yeah.
Fill in this gap, get up here, and do what it do. I don't like that we gapped up though. I will say that. We did start the week on a gap up. We did start the week on a gap up. So
Yeah. We definitely did. We definitely did. But we could, if US 30 just starts out the gate, just going crazy to the upside, man, we're gonna have a hard pullback at that point. All right, we're gonna have a
yeah.
hard pullback.
And I
All
believe
right.
that too because if you look at it, bro, US 30 just gapped up 2 weeks in a row and ain't covered the gap yet.
Yeah, and didn't cover the gap. You know what I'm saying? Like, I
So
mean,
it's
yeah,
either that or a huge
yeah,
sell is coming out of nowhere.
yeah. Like right now, we got 2 minutes. Like, let me see what happens if this open. They start blitzing that thing up. Yeah, they start
Yeah.
blitzing that thing up to the upside, bruh. Yeah, we gonna look to go. Yeah, you gonna pull back. You kick it off right away to the down though. Yeah, then that's gonna be something different. All right, then that's gonna be something different. We about to see. We about to see right now. We about to see,
Let's see a 200 point pullback.
man, for real. Let's see it. It needs it though. It definitely needs to go cover cover them gaps
They
for
be
real.
acting funny though with the indices. That's what I told you. I always had a love hate relationship with them because they do they pullbacks and they retest whenever the fuck they feel like
Excuse me.
it.
Yeah, for real. Yeah, they most definitely do.
They do it at 2 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 9:30, 8:30, 7:30, 6 o'clock. Like, bruh.
Mm-hmm.
You just can't gauge it sometimes. Sometimes it's like, yeah, it's so random. I want to see it drop like 200 points. It drop 200 points, I'll take the buy.
Right.
If it breaks out, I ain't touching it. I'll just leave it
Yeah.
alone.
I
I'll
low
wait on
key want to see Nas sell down. Yeah, Nas.
close the
Yeah,
bell
Nas.
right there. And look, there we go. Herky jerky.
Let's see. US 30. Uh Nas. Nas is dumping down.
Hmm. I knew Nas was gonna break that damn level.
Oh yeah.
My US 500 looking good. Looking spicy. Spicy.
Yeah. Nas is gonna buy y'all. Nas is gonna do a pullback. Nas is gonna do a pullback up to 29,520. Let's see. Let's let this.
You said 29, 520?
Yeah.
Oh, I got that bitch going way higher than that.
I
I
know,
got
but
20.
I'm just talking about. I ain't talking about like no. I ain't talking about no. Um, no. No swing trade right now.
I ain't talking about no swing either. I'm talking about my sell entry is at 29,642.
I'm not even talking about a sale.
I get that.
Yeah.
What I'm saying, you saying buy up. Now you said it was going to buy up to 5, and I said it should buy up to 29,642.
Oh, yeah.
I'm saying I want to see it buy up 200 more points from where it's at and hit that resistance. And then I need the trend to confirm. I need that. I need that thing to do what I know it does. But that pour down right there was definitely capped. I ain't going.
Mm-hmm.
It ain't selling yet. I know that for sure. Not until it do that retest. There's too many wicks on these charts right now. I didn't know where they all at. I'm like, bro, I know y'all cover wicks. Whether people believe it or not, they cover them wicks. And Nas about to go ahead and just comes up there and cover them wicks right now. They went deep down there and swiped everybody. Oh my god.
Oh yeah.
Swiper no swiping. Golly. See, that's that indice shit right there. That was a cyber swipe. See what we get. See how it holds up. They swiped that whole previous 4 hour candle.
Oh yeah. I knew that was coming. Look at that, y'all. That US 30 played out fabulous. Told you we was gonna sell down first, and then we launching. That was just beautiful. All right, so let me see something. Hold on. Man, my phone keep trying to update on me. I can't even get the trade out.
First 5 minutes, create a nice little range. Nice little pullback. Probably could have took that buy though.
Oh yeah, I told you. Said we was gonna swipe down and right here in the vicinity and buy up. Hey,
Oh no, I wasn't talking about US 30. I was talking about NAS.
oh Nas, yeah, Nas is going crazy.
Yeah, US 30 did like a baby move. Sort of.
Mm-hmm.
It's like it went back and swipe one level.
US 30.
Yeah, it went back and swipe one level on the other chart. NAS swipe two. That's why I was just like, yeah, they fire for that.
Right.
They put it down swipe two levels, then just blitzed it right back up. But I think they do a little pullback and then they take off. They might not make a move till 10 o'clock.
Nas is buying, brother.
Yeah,
Nas is buying.
I'm not against the buy until tomorrow. I don't think it buys this week. I believe Monday. Yeah, Monday stays bullish. I think they just play around in this area for a while.
Yeah.
Buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. Like I don't think nothing gonna move just yet. I think they are. I think they're just gonna keep waiting.
Mm-hmm.
That's why they coming all the way back down right now.
It's a retest. They just broke out.
Yeah.
US 30 is a great buy. A great buy. A great buy. I like it.
Yeah, US 30 about to do the NAS move.
US 30 is buying, bro. I'm telling y'all,
Yeah, I know.
US 30 is
I said
buying.
rather do the swipe and go. They just still setting up. Like I said, I just think they just wasting time setting up still. They ain't been moving the market until 10 o'clock this last week. They kind of just been doing this little ranging thing at the open,
Mm-hmm.
just trapping traders.
We long. Ain't nothing to trap, brother. Ain't nothing to trap. Ain't nothing to trap when you know. Ain't nothing to trap. That thing moves so fast. That thing moves so fast. Yeah, let's go long. Let's go long. Let's see. Let me see. Let me see.
It's been a little tricky little end of the month. Can't even hold you.
Let's see.
So it's been a tricky little end of the month. With the ranging. My camera down. I can't kick that too, cause
Ah,
I said camera down.
oh, camera died. Let's get on up there. I think gold pulls back too, though. Gold pushes back up. I think gold pushes back up there.
Mm-hmm.
I think gold pushes back up there too.
Yeah, I think Nas is a buy after they swipe that low.
They already swiped that low, bro. What you talking
No,
about?
I'm about to swipe it again. They about to do the same thing they did on Friday, y'all. That's what they did on US 30 on Friday. They did the same thing where they went down, swiped it low, pulled back to the retest. They waited, swiped the low again, then they bought it. They about to do that same thing on NAS again. That's that funny shit that I was just talking about.
I don't see it. I don't see it.
Hey,
I don't
open your
see it.
eyes.
I don't see it.
Open
I
your
think
eyes.
they just. I
On
don't
which one
see
you
it.
want to see it? Which one you
What
want
you
to see
was
it on?
just talking about, Nas. I
All
don't
right, but
see
I'm
it.
gonna show you. Wait, I'm gonna show you. Now I gotta switch my time frame just for you to show you. All right. So you see this setup right here? You see my
Mm-hmm.
chart?
Mm-hmm.
You see this 5 minute low right here?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, they're gonna swipe this and launch it right here.
Yeah, I don't see it.
Don't.
Yeah, I don't see it.
Look, I'm gonna leave it just like this. All right. On this 5 minute right here, I'm gonna leave it just like that.
I don't see it.
Hey, you ain't gotta see it. I got
I
you.
don't see it.
I'm gonna
I
leave it
don't
right
see
there
it.
for you, buddy. I'm gonna leave it right there for you. They just did this. They just did this on Friday on US 30. They about to do it again. Watch. Funny as hell.
I think we go up to the level I was talking about. We go up there to that level I was talking about, 29,684. So I don't see that. I'm not saying it can't come back down to where you're talking about, but it already swiped,
Yeah.
if you ask me. It already swiped and we should go to 29,684.
Hey, look, it definitely swiped. It
It's
definitely that was a deep swipe. But look
it
at
already swiped. I'm
I'm
just
trying
saying,
I'm trying to tell
like,
you,
bro,
cuz.
they went down there and did folks dirty, bro.
Look, I'm telling you. Look, I'm telling you. I'm telling you, they about to go right back down there. These bastards. they they be doing some bullshit. Just know software always wins, bro. When I tell you,
Man, Look,
Something wonky happening.
I don't see it. And we pushing y'all on US 30. I hope y'all got in. I hope y'all got in. Because, man, we cooking them. We cooking them. I hope y'all got in. I
Yeah,
hope
US
you
30
got
move.
in. I hope you got in, y'all. Because when I was saying, when it did that pullback just now, I was saying, get in. It's a good buy. Bruh, you up
Mm-hmm.
almost 200 points. Like, all right, almost up 200 points
What'd you say the target was?
on US 30.
Mm-hmm.
What did I say? 52, 824. 52, 824. 824. And look, NAS is breaking out, just like I said. We're going to 29, 684, just like that. 29, 684. 684. Like, told y'all that too. Like, told you we was buying up there too. So, man,
Is the resistance?
yeah, y'all better get in where you fit in. I mean, if you're not in, it's too late. All right, if you're not in, it's too late. If you're not in, it's too late, and I don't want you to chase it. I definitely don't want you to chase it. All right, I definitely don't want you to chase it.
I ain't gonna lie though. I ain't interested in no buys on that. I love it though. I love the push up, but I'm definitely I'm definitely sell bias. Only
Yeah,
because
that's
I'm
cool. Yeah, and that's cool because I mean, um, man, the I just don't think it sells today, bro.
no
That's
no
what
no
I'm
I,
saying.
no no I don't I'm not saying it's selling today. So that's the part I keep trying to make clear. Like I'm not saying it's selling today. I'm saying it's going to hit the entry for the sale today. I
Oh,
believe the high of today will be the high of the week. Me personally.
I
I
got you.
think
Yeah, I
Wednesday
mean, I had
will be
NAS
the
selling
high of the
this
week.
week as
Yeah,
well. Yeah, I had NAS selling this week just based off of what it's been doing, but yeah,
yeah.
I mean, we looking good. All right, we looking good, y'all.
I'm just waiting on it to get up there to that area. Once it get up there and hit that area, I feel like I could just hold for the week from up there.
Yeah,
It's the same area you said that six. You said 680 something. Mine's 644. So I just believe that's probably the same area. We just got different numbers. It's only
um,
$40 difference.
yeah, could be. Yeah, we going up there.
I'm going off of the 4 hour resistance. That's the only reason why I'm saying that right
Oh, yeah, I ain't even looking at that.
there.
I'm just strictly looking at the candles itself.
Yeah, yeah.
The candles itself. But yeah, probably. And I'm looking for gold to push back up too. Like gold is stagnant. Gold ain't doing nothing.
No, it's one of them.
Gold
It's one
ain't
of them ones.
gold ain't doing nothing, man. Gold is not doing a thing.
Yeah, it's definitely one of them ones.
Gold is not doing a thing. Gold is not doing a thing. But I think we could push up and go a little deeper. I think we can go a little deeper for sure. I think we can go up there and go a little deeper.
What
Do a
gold?
deeper, yeah, do a deeper retracement to the upside before it sells. Overall, gold is selling. You know what I'm saying? I'm not even going on gold. Like I'm
Yeah,
just saying,
3908.
yeah, like I'm not even going for none of the buys like that. I'm just saying I think we could probably push and you know what I'm saying, and maybe do a deeper retracement. Maybe get a deeper retracement for sure.
Yeah, the chip
Get a
stocks
deeper,
got hard on Friday.
yeah,
This retest is just trying to fix some of that. That's all it is.
yeah,
On ass. I feel like this is just a retest trying to fix that shit.
yeah.
Yeah, but I'm on the same frequency. I think you get up to the 29 6 640 680.
Mm-hmm.
As soon as we hit that area, I think that's where I'm hopping in at. I'm saying
Right.
I don't trust this, but I think this vibe's cap.
Cap. I feel it.
And like I ain't even really in the swings. I'm just feeling like, look, I'm just going off what I see.
And these are just intraday plays. That's it. You know what I'm
Yeah.
saying? That's yeah, that's all it is. So it's not even like it's a like we ain't even talking like a crazy move for real. You know what I'm saying? Like we literally are talking about like when I was saying when it got down there, you know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
It just happened too fast. But technically, the TP would have been the TP would have been hit already. It just moved really fast. But the TP would have hit at five. Remember I said 520 and you was like, man, I got it going way higher than that. Right.
Yeah.
So it's like we would have just already been out the trade, 176 points gone. Boom. And I'm talking about in 5 minutes. Five
Yeah.
minutes, 176 points, we gone. You know what I'm saying? So this really is just a little bit extra, to be honest. But ultimately, man, we'd have been out of there. We'd have been out of there already. We'd have been out of there. We'd have been out of there on US 32. All right, but I just like I said, US 30 is just. I mean, US 30 finna launch. You know what I'm saying? Like, I mean, US 30 is launching. All right, US 30 is launching. I mean, if y'all got in, I'm telling y'all, like if y'all took that trade when I said get up in there, you be up over 223 points already. All right, straight up. All right, straight up, straight
Mm-hmm.
up.
585. Yeah. Go $60 higher. That's what I want to see. Show me you tough. Yeah, go $60 higher, man.
Yeah, please. Yeah, we already at 612. Get up there. Get up there.
I'd rather get in early than get in late.
Get up there. Gold is next. I believe gold is next. I believe gold is next.
Check gold next.
I think gold is next. Yeah. I think gold. I think gold pulls back too. I think gold pulls back too. I think gold is next.
Yeah, I don't think gold sell this early. I
Yeah,
think
I
they
think.
waiting
Yeah,
on that quarter.
yeah. And like you said at the beginning, dog, they doing all this war talk all over again. Man, I ain't trying to hear that. At this point, bro, I ain't trying to hear none of that. You know what I'm
Yeah.
saying? Like, man, absolutely none of that.
Well, you gotta just cut the news off. The
Yeah, I ain't trying to.
news,
Oh, there I go, man. There I go. Finally,
what?
finally, I'm
Oh,
live. You know
back
what I'm saying?
on.
You can see
Yeah.
me finally. Camera just all of a sudden just you know what I'm saying just started working, bro. This I don't know what's going on with this camera, bro.
Yeah.
No, I don't know
Time
what's
to get
going
the
on.
computer, cuz.
Apparently, it seemed like it.
Yeah.
All right, it seemed like it.
Time to upgrade. What they
It
got going
seemed it
on?
seemed like it.
Nvidia is up.
Oh yeah,
Nvidia doing nothing.
and the video ain't doing nothing.
Fuck no, motherfuckers. Alright, spot got up hella hard. It's open. Outside. Alright, Nvidia. It ain't up that much. That's not. Nvidia got a long ways to go, cuz. Long ways.
Yeah,
Okay, SpaceX building some structure. I like it. That's what I want to see. Tesla got a nice little bounce going. Okay. Now, this is something I did want to say before this live ends. Um, all this selling they doing is really a trap. Like, do not fall for the sale. Even though I said sell this, that, and third, don't fall for the sale. They definitely just about to, if anything, swipe the low, get everybody out, and launch this thing. Like, we not selling until like after October. I wouldn't even consider a sale until like the rally is done. And typically the rallies don't end until October. So I'm definitely looking for that. And then Bitcoin, I kept telling people, look, that's that swipe and go. 50K is on the way. I keep posting and I keep saying it. So just understand Bitcoin is headed to 50K. It is not buying. Do not fall for none of this pullback it keep doing because Bitcoin is cooked. XRP is cooked.
Cooked.
All them plays is cooked. Gold still on divergence, sitting right there. That
Cooked.
thing ain't back. There it goes. Here it comes, my boy.
What's that?
That NAS swipe again.
Oh,
I love the software, man. Because listen, I've been using this thing for so long. When they doing something weird, you can spot it, bro. Hey, I'm gonna tell you later, but bro, listen, I knew they was about to do this.
shit.
I knew they was about to do this.
We ain't there yet, bro.
When where? The swiping that low they created?
Yeah,
Man, keep watching.
I'm watching.
I'm gonna
I ain't
tell you.
tripping though. Like I said, I ain't tripping. I said shit. TP would already hit at 520.
Yeah,
Yeah, I it could do whatever it want, and that's what I'm saying. On the intraday perspective, nigga, we out the
look,
way. It could do whatever it want to do.
this is the buy right here. This is about to be the real buy. Listen, they about to take them boys out and then launch it again.
Man, they savage, ain't they?
Yeah, it was,
Ain't
but
they?
on the old software, bro, it showed me, and I was just like, yeah, this cap.
Nah,
I'm
cap.
gonna tell you, I'm gonna tell you because I knew it was cap. I knew that buy was cap, and they fuck around. If you can still see my screen, they fuck around and come all the way down here. To tell you the truth, they fuck around and come down here to that support.
Oh yeah, yeah, I can see that.
To be honest, they fuck around go to that support, then they gonna launch that bitch. These niggas,
And
these
cook
boys,
folks.
they is crazy, bro. They is crazy. The market is undefeated, y'all. I'm trying to tell y'all, they are undefeated with the nonsense. Because this is pure nonsense right here that it's doing.
Pure nonsense.
This is pure nonsense right here. Boy. I already seen it. I'm like, yeah, we're a little early. Now they could hold right here because they just did some freaky stuff on the chart. They funny. They funny.
Oh yeah.
They definitely funny for this move. They just pulled, boy. I think I might go. I think I might just go back 100% MT4 because I might
100% back
I
MT4.
might go 100% MT4 and just leave trading you alone, bro. Ain't no way it was this accurate, bro. I swear. Listen, bro. When I show you what happened, bro, you're gonna be like, oh yeah, they funny. MT4 is so listen, MT4 is so sweet. This is why they got rid of it. That's why they're trying to get everybody to get off of it. That's what it is.
It's the leverage, bruh. That's why they trying to get everybody off of it.
Yeah.
It's the leverage. Offshore brokers offering 500 to one, 1,000 to one, 2,000 to
Yeah.
one. You know what I'm saying? Like that's why they trying to get rid of the offshore brokers. It's just too much leverage, and the U.S. giving folks 50 to one. The U.S. don't want folks making no money for real.
Man,
They don't want
50,
money. They don't want folks making money for real because ain't
50
no
to
way.
1 is insane.
Ain't no way.
Yeah, 50 to
Because ain't
1
no
is
way. But yeah, y'all, that's gonna be my time for today. So
uh,
I hope y'all was able to catch US 30 this morning. It was a phenomenal trade to the upside, and we out the way. All right, we out the way. Price bought up. All right, price bought up, and you could have made money. Like my man always say, if it's blue, it's on you. Price pushed up. You know, especially when I gave y'all even a lower entry when I was like, hey, y'all definitely can get in when it did that pullback, and y'all would have been up well over 200 something points, like 250 plus points on US 30. So I believe that was a nice move for the day, and that's really all you need. You don't need to force anything else to happen, and you ain't got to keep trading for the day. Like that's a one and done, and then go about your day, enjoy the rest of the day. So that's gonna be all for me, y'all, and I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow. Let's get it.
yeah, yeah. That was that swipe and go though. Come on, man. Yeah, so that's the end of the day, man. It was a good trade. We definitely just did what we needed to do. Um, yeah, we out of here. We'll see y'all in the next stream.
Let's get it, y'all.